Learn English Guru presents Mastering 3 Types of Pronouns. Lesson 24. Thank you for joining us today. This is our agenda. We will dig deep into pronouns with 3 different kinds: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. Our lesson objectives include the definition of a pronoun, examples of pronouns in sentences, along with proper placement. We will explain the different uses and learn to use them in daily speech. What is a pronoun? In a previous lesson, we learned that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Pronouns are words that replace nouns, to avoid the repetition of proper nouns, and to clarify common objects. Pronouns can replace nouns, other pronouns, or groups of words that function as nouns, like a list of fruit. The word that a pronoun replaces is called an antecedent. It is easiest to show this in writing. Instead of saying, or writing, "I like apples, oranges, bananas, and mangoes," I can point to the fruit and say, "I like those fruit." Or after listing the fruit in a paragraph, I can say, "I like them." Them takes the place of the list of fruit. As we've shown in previous lessons, personal pronouns can be singular or plural. The designation first person, second person, or third person refers to who you are talking about. I, or yourself, is always first person. You, the person you are talking to, as second person. And he, she, or it, is the person or thing you're talking about. Please note that pronouns in English have gender. He or him are masculine, male. The pronouns she or her are female, feminine. It, we, they, or you are gender neutral, meaning they can be either male or female. There are 2 types of personal pronouns: subject pronouns or object pronouns. A sentence has a subject that does the action, and a predicate called a verb phrase. Subjects, including subject pronouns, usually come toward the front of a sentence. More importantly, they do the action. Sarah hit the light pole. Sarah is the subject. She, Sarah, hit the light pole. Hit is the action and she did that action. She is a pronouns, so, in this sentence, she is a subject pronoun. John plays basketball on Saturdays. John is the subject. He plays basketball on Saturdays. He, John, is doing the action, plays. He is a subject pronoun. Jessica and Amanda walk the dogs on the weekend. Jessica and Amanda are the subject of the sentence. They walk the dogs on the weekend. They do the action, so they are a subject pronoun. Here are more examples of subject pronouns showing whether they are first, second, or third person. First person examples are: I am Tom. I like riding bikes. We ride bikes every afternoon. Second person, when we are talking to someone: you can come biking. You are a great team. Third person, when we are talking about someone: he likes to ride bikes with us. She does not ride bikes. It cannot run that far. They will get tired. Object pronouns are pronouns that receive the action. But, what's an object? In the sentence, yes, that girl hit the light pole. The subject, that girl, did the action. That girl hit. What did that girl hit? The light pole. The light pole received the action. The light pole is the object. Object pronouns are pronouns that receive the action. In the sentence, yes, that girl hit it. What is it referring to? The light pole. We already said that the light pole received the action, so the light pole is the object. Therefore, the pronoun it replaces light pole, so it is an object pronoun. In some sentences, called passive sentences, the object comes first. The donut was eaten by the cat. What is the action? Was eaten. Who did the action? The cat. The cat is the subject because it did the action. What received the action? What did the cat eat? The donut. So, the donut received the action. The donut is the object. The word it replaces the donut, so it is an object pronoun. In this sentence, that man ate the chicken leg. That man is the subject because he did the action. He ate. What did he eat? The chicken leg. The chicken leg received the action. When we replace the words chicken leg with the pronoun it becomes an object pronoun. That man ate it. Now you try. Listen while I say these sentences. Replace the subject that I say with subject pronouns. Here's an example. If I say, the dog is cute, you will write the word it in place of the dog. Got it? 1. That girl rides her bike every afternoon. 2. Mark watches TV in the evening. 3. Those people celebrated Chinese New Year. Pause and rewind if you need to listen again. Here's the answers. How did you do? Leave a comment below about how well you did. Let's go on to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns express possession or ownership. Possessive pronouns do not require an apostrophe. Examples of possessive pronouns include: the pencil is mine. Who is speaking? Mine refers to me. I is first person, and so, mine refers to the ownership of the speaker. I own the pencil. The calculator is yours. Who is speaking? I am. Yours is second person, the person I am speaking to. Yours refers to ownership belonging to the person being spoken to. You own the calculator. Her book is missing. Her refers to ownership belonging to a person being spoken about. She owns the missing book. These examples are quite hard and this takes some serious practice. We will work on possessive pronouns more in upcoming lessons. Demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that we use to refer to, or point to. They are specific people, animals, and things. This and that are singular, one thing. This refers to a thing that is nearby. This pencil is sharp, refers to a pencil that I am holding in my hand. That pencil is not, refers to a pencil lying on a desk, a distance away. These and those are the plural forms of this and that. These dogs are hardworking refers to a group of dogs near me. Those dogs are not. Those refers to the dogs that are far from me. Let's look at more examples. This is my book. This refers to a single book that I am holding. That is my book. That refers to a single book that is across the room from me. These are my books. These refer to the stack of books that I am holding. Those are my books. Those refer to the stack of books across the room. With demonstrative pronouns, you must know if the object or objects that you are speaking about are singular or plural, and whether they are near, touchable, or far, pointable. Now you try. Fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, or those. Remember that you need to know if the object is singular or plural, and whether it is near or far. How did you do? Write in the comments below how you are doing. If you like these lessons, why not take the opportunity to like and subscribe too? Now, let's roleplay pronouns. Here's the roleplay. John. Hi Jane, have you seen Jennifer? Jane. No, I did not see her in class this morning. John. She usually calls if she isn't coming. I have her bag. Jane. You have her bag? Is that hers? That bag over there looks like hers too. John. Oh, yes, it's the same style. I better look inside. Yes, this bag is hers. Her name is on the math book. Now you be Jane. I will say John's part.
Here's the role play. I will speak as John. You read Jane's part. Hi Jane. Have you seen Jennifer? She usually calls if she isn't coming. I have her bag. Oh, yes, it's the same style. I better look inside. Yes, this bag is hers. Her name is on the math book.
Thank you for visiting the Learn English classroom. Please like and subscribe to our videos so you don't miss the next lesson.